with two sides here. They both have to be exactly the same distance from the middle. If they don't, when they're turning, it will cause the machine to go all over the place. They have to be exactly the same distance. The bearings have to be exactly, as they say, equilateral, or the same distance from the center, because this whole thing will spin, and then these will precess at 7 times the speed of the center. And if it isn't balanced, it won't work. You ever wonder why these flying saucers work so good? You have to have them balanced. You have to have them precise. Maybe more than an airplane or a helicopter.